view. So I think we're going to end 120 points higher, 22,000 plus on the index. So not quite at the day's high, but I mean, practically there is what you'd had to say. Just a quick sort of look at the big gainers, right? I'll just sort of run through the broader market gainers, and then we'll do the large caps the other way around. Let's just put these up. Natco Pharma, big gains today. You had Rain Industries, which went up sharply, has been up since the morning. There was GIC RE, which was up sharply. You have Glenmark, which looked up quite a bit. Of course, there's news there. Dish TV, that's CLSA sort of report, which Vivek was highlighting for us. New India Assurance, along with GIC, in the general insurance space, these two leading. Data Pattern, there was a block in the morning. Borosil Renewables is another one, which looked up quite a bit. Ipca Laboratories, perhaps we could put up. There was Devyani, I think we were talking about QSR early on. Uno Minda, even a sort of down and out name like Stovecraft. I mean, actually, business in terms of just volume growth, sales growth, etc. is struggling. We had the management with us earlier this week. That also was up about 7-8% or so. Lots of variety, really. Skipper Limited was another one. There was Prestige, which went up. Mastec was up sharply, and so on and so forth. PSUs took a bit of a backseat today. SJVN was down a little bit, and there were a few others, but that was the big volume-led pullback that we had.
Absolutely, new names on the mid-cap screen for sure, coming through to the surface. Let's talk about large caps. Not a bad day for the Nifty stocks either. The index is going to close above 22,000. 22,033 is probably where we are heading as the bell goes off. The sectors at work, there was a fair amount of rotation today, so it wasn't banks or Reliance, it was IT. A lot of the large cap IT names, Wipro 4.5% higher, Infosys about 1.5% up. Let's see how much TCS has done. TCS also up by about 0.5%. Tech Mahindra, some gains there as well. So mostly large cap IT looking positive. And the auto charge continued, led from the front by Mahindra and Mahindra once again, 4% up. Bajaj Auto 3%, Maruti 2.5%, Hero Moto also, even Tata Motors, all of them tracking gains today. What else? There's L&T on the upside. There is Nestle and Tata Consumer, two names from the consumer side. Even Lever, actually. So not a bad day for consumer stocks. So basically, sector rotation, IT, auto, and select consumer. What didn't work? PSUs finally saw some profit taking here. Power Grid, ONGC, NTPC, SBI, all of your top frontline PSU names were down between 0.5% to about 2%. And the biggies, Reliance, not contributing, 0.5% down today. And Axis Bank, by the way, again ends in the negative side, down by about 0.5%. So the bell has gone, the week has come to a close, and the Nifty has managed to reclaim Mount 22,000. Well, with that, the team of Closing Bell is going to take your leave. Thank you very much for being with us. But do stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because we have smart money coming up next.